Hi everyone, it's Kerry here. I hope you're having a really good day. I'm very excited. I got my swap from Grace. It was the Paper Inspirations March swap, ATC, art trading coins. I believe it's all the rage in some places. I was very excited. I haven't done any of these before, but if you go to Pinterest, you can see what it's all about. And yeah, so Sue suggested we try this for the swap this month, and my coins from my lovely swap partner Grace came. They came a couple of days ago, but I've been so flat out I haven't had a chance to sit down and record my opening. So yeah, so here we go. I've opened the side, but I haven't actually looked in. Just wanted to show you my lovely envelope that Grace did up. So I'll just now, Grace has a shop as well, and if I remember, I'll put it down on the sides. She sells lots of beautiful old papers, book pages and stuff in packs. So if I remember, I'll add that to the thing, so to the description below. I'm gonna carefully do this so that I can use this paper. There we go. Programmer, analyst, facilities manager, offerings to buyers. There's an advertising page. I'm sure I can use this paper again. Nice washi tape. T-shirts. Let's see what this says. T-shirts. We offer custom silk screen printing. There you go. Color TVs, wholesale guaranteed. There you go. New York Times, Sunday the 10th of June 1979. I was 9.5 years old then. It shows you how old I am. So that's a bit special. I'll try and keep this. So it's very exciting, just the packaging. Okay, so I think we were Sue asked us to make 6 to 12 trading card coins. At least, I think the norm is 2.5 inches, but she said 2.5 to 4.5, I think. I can't remember what the measurements were. I was lucky enough to see Grace at a crafting day we had, so I managed to give mine to her in person, but Grace posted this to me. So yes, now it looks like she's given me some extra goodies, which is very kind. So that's separate on top of the trading coins. So thank you very much, Grace. That's lovely. Oh, she's got such a lovely style. Okay, so oh, look at that. So here's some of the trading coins. They're in a little container. Oh, look, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so there you go. She's done like a 3D using a heart shape. Let's bring that up to the camera a bit more. Using a heart shape. Sorry, my light's not in a very good spot. Let's see if that helps. Oh, quick. Sorry about the noise. So heart shape. Oh, that's lovely. The background she's done. It's got some gold on it. Gee, that's pretty. And on the back, she's put her name and the date. And that's from Russian Parish Library, Vulture Street, Brisbane. There you go. Wow. And that's Just Create. Oh, look, isn't that cute? Another one. Use some music paper and stenciled some letters, and then Oh, that's beautiful. And that's got a nice pretty backing paper. Oh, look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? They are so lovely. They like match together. Oh, they've got the matching. Those are so pretty, the backs. Wow. They're lovely. Okay, and look at the little container she's brought them in. She put them in. Thank you, Grace. They're so pretty. And oh, she's been so busy. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh, pussycat. It's got a little bit of crochet, tiny little bit from a doily, maybe. Oh wow. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, with the thread threaded through. They're stunning. Wow. Koala. Oh, and the butterfly with the leaf in the middle. Be brave. Oh, they're gorgeous, Grace. Thank you. Oh, wow. They go in the little bag. You can let go. It looks like an old card. It's gorgeous. And then there's some extras. Oh, she knows I like cats. I think. Oh, look at that, a little notebook. Oh, that's lovely. Just really cute. That can go into a pocket in a journal. Wow. Oh, there's a little bottle die cut. That's nice. Extra goodies. And a tag. That writing. A public library card. These are cool. Oh, I like those. Lovely. And then she spoilt me with some book pages by the looks of it. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Gee, you should feel this. This feels so lovely. Old dictionary. Now that would be really old. Oh, wow. That feels absolutely gorgeous. It's like all, it's got real rough texture to it. A shorthand book. And models. Must be model making book. There you go. Oh, thank you so much, Grace. You've spoilt me so much. I really appreciate the goodies that you sent me. The wrapping paper alone was gorgeous. I look forward to using it all, and the trading coins are just absolutely stunning. Thank you so much. You've really spoilt me. Thank you so much, and thank you everybody for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.